Hi everybody, Cameron Ellis here with an update on our incoming winter storm that's headed in our direction for the weekend. Got new details for you on that. I'm going to go over that within this video here. And right now let's take a look at the latest and weather alerts. We do have winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings all across the map there. As you can see, the winter storm warnings are highlighted there in pink, with those winter weather advisories highlighted in the blue. The winter storm warnings will go in effect for our far southwestern counties that are in the Central Standard Time Zone starting at 6 o'clock Central Standard tonight, and that'll be in effect for noon Central Standard on Saturday. Those of you in the Eastern Standard Time Zone in southeast and north central portions of southern Indiana will see that winter storm warning kick in at midnight Eastern Standard tonight through 7 a.m. Eastern Standard on Sunday. So that is when the winter storm warnings will begin to take effect. And then those winter weather advisories following that, probably around the same time periods for those far southern counties in southern Indiana. And those are highlighted there in the blue. So that's kind of a look at the latest in weather alerts. Otherwise, the timing, the HRRR model is our short-range model showing that moving in here just around 6, 7 o'clock Central Standard this evening in southwestern counties, moving in around 7, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard in our north, central, and eastern counties in southern Indiana, becoming more widespread throughout the overnight before it clears out within the early morning hours in the southwestern portions of southern Indiana, and some of our central portions of southern Indiana could also clear out within that as well early in the morning on Saturday, becoming cold rain as temperatures climb throughout the day on Saturday above freezing. That'll help melt out some of that accumulation. Probably not going to take all of it away, but it'll help decrease most of it, probably making more of a slushy commute on those roadways, but still could be hazardous in some areas, so be sure to use caution if you're going to be out on the roadways on Saturday. My advice is if you don't have to be out, don't, because it's going to probably be most likely a messy commute through the day on Saturday. If you do live in the northern portions of southern Indiana, I think your chance of seeing that cold rain is going to be a lot slimmer, just more so for the fact that I think that cold rain is going to stay just to the south of there, so that's kind of more like Jennings, Jackson, Lawrence counties. May see more of a snow type setup for the vast majority of the time versus that cold rain setup that counties just to the south of that area will most likely see leading into the day on Saturday. So that is the latest in timing. Our snow totals, 4 to 6 inches of snow possible throughout northern and central portions of southern Indiana, localized 7 inches possible within that, 2 to 5 inches for the very far south. In southern Indiana, localized 6 inches. I think we stay mainly in the neighborhood between 2 to 5, if not even 2 to 4 within them. But worst case scenario, 5 inches being our highest possible. But definitely can't take it off the table where we could maybe see 6 inches. But I'm going to say that's probably going to be pretty tough to find. Just depends on how heavy that snow stays consistent throughout the overnight into the day on Saturday. Could pick up another round of snow going into Saturday night. Just depends on if that rain changes back over to snow. So going to have to kind of watch that as well. We'll continue to watch this winter storm as it begins to make its arrival as we approach the evening hours tonight. And I will be doing another update later on this evening here later on today. So be sure to stay tuned for that.